Ready to take full control of your Solana and move it from Coinswitch to the powerful Phantom wallet? First, open your Coinswitch app and locate your Solana balance from your holdings. Next, tap on the Withdraw or Send button, which is usually found at the bottom of the screen next to your Solana amount. Now, open your Phantom wallet and copy your Solana address. To do this, simply tap on the wallet icon at the top of the app, which automatically copies your Sol address to your clipboard. Return to Coinswitch and paste the copied Phantom wallet address into the recipient address field. Be absolutely sure to double-check that the address is correct, because sending to the wrong address could result in a loss of funds. Next, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. You can either type in a specific amount or tap the Max button to send all of your Sol, then proceed. Review all the transaction details carefully on the confirmation screen, including the amount, fees, and especially the recipient address to ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, tap the Confirm button. Coinswitch will now process your transaction. How long this takes can vary from a few minutes to usually within 30 minutes at most. That's it. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred Solana from Coinswitch to Phantom. Enjoy the control.